It's a busy kitchen as some of the state's top chefs compete in the South Dakota Pork Producers Council Taste of Elegance contest. This was the first time competing for Chef Jordan Taylor, who took home the top prize.
We love pork. If you've been down to our place, it's very pork heavy. A lot of curing done in house and whatnot, so we thought it'd be a good chance to, show what we can do, I guess.
Chef Bob Allen won the People's Choice Award with the pork shoulder dish, highlighting the versatility of pork.
It's come a long way in the last 10 years or so, and I think people are getting more acceptable to it. A lot of chefs are playing with different parts of the pork, so that's fun too.
And the contest is designed to increase the amount of pork on menus.
We're trying to get the restaurants to really know that they can use a lot of different pork items in their menu also.
Entrees are judged on creativity, taste, proper cooking techniques, and appearance. This Heartland Consumer Report is sponsored by South Dakota soybean farmers and their soybean checkoff.